What if I told you that one apple slice and a pinch of turmeric could completely transform your plants? Stay tuned. This 2-ingredient hack is next level. You'll only need 1 to 2 thin apple slices and a pinch of turmeric powder. That's it, straight from your kitchen. Apple slices bring natural sugars, calcium, and potassium that feed soil microbes and give plants energy for faster growth. Turmeric acts as a natural shield. It protects roots from fungus, rot, and harmful bacteria. How to use it? 1. Take 1 or 2 thin apple slices. 2. Sprinkle a pinch of turmeric powder over the slices. 3. Dig a small hole about 2 to 3 inches away from a plant stem. 4. Place the slices inside. Cover with soil and water lightly. In just a week, you'll notice healthier leaves, stronger stems, and fresher soil. The apple feeds, the turmeric protects. Together, they create the perfect natural growth booster.